A unitary patent is a single patent right covering up to 24 European states or up to 360 million consumers. Unitary patents are enforced through the Unified Patent Court, a new pan-European court, in a single court action covering all UPC member states. A unitary patent is obtained on the basis of a granted European patent. This means that companies do not need to change the way in which they apply for European patent protection. So companies can still continue to file European patent applications in the way they do now. It is only after grant of the European patent that a decision for European patent protection needs to be made. This also means that unitary patent protection will become available on the basis of those European patent applications presently pending at the EPO. Obtaining unitary patent protection will require the filing of a simple request for a unitary patent with the EPO and, for the next 6 years, the filing of a full translation of the entire European patent into one of the official languages of the EU. The deadline for completing this is 1 month from the mention of grant of the European patent. Patent proprietors are free to choose the language of the translation, but given that German or French translations of the claims are already available from the pre-grant procedure, it may make sense to choose either of these languages on cost grounds. This said, if a patent proprietor is aware of likely infringing activity in a particular European country, then choosing the language of that country for the translation may bring the advantage of putting the alleged infringer on notice in their own language. The availability of the unitary patent is linked with the agreement governing the new court system, the UPC. Unitary patents will only become available once the UPC agreement has come into force. This means that, at present, unitary patents are not available. For patent proprietors who have already received a communication under Rule 71.3 EPC from the EPO, indicating allowance of a European patent application, unitary patent protection may not be available unless they manage to delay grant of the European patent. The EPO has made a mechanism available in which the EPO will, on request, delay the grant of the European patent until the UPC agreement has come into force. This said, this mechanism itself will only become available once the so-called UPC sunrise period has started. If patent applicants have received a communication under Rule 71.3 EPC with a deadline before the start of the sunrise period, then it will be necessary to take action to delay the reply to the communication until after the start of the sunrise period. We can help in this regard if desired.